Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want your Shopify product pages to look clean and professional? In this video, I will show you how to add collapsible sections, also called accordions, to your product descriptions step by step, no app required, and no coding experience needed. When visitors come to your product page, they don't want to scroll through long walls of text. Collapsible sections help you organize info like shipping information, size guides, return policies, product details, all hidden underneath drop downs. So log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then go to online store from the left side bar. Then select the themes tab, click the action or three dot icon from here, then click edit code on your active theme. Now go to your product description. If you are using Shopify's online 2.0 like down, you can insert custom HTML blocks right inside the editor. From the Shopify dashboard, click on products and choose your product from here and go to product description. Click the show HTML button. Now enter here, write the code details, then summary tag, and returns in summary, then add p tag, write take hour, or wait a minute, write we offer free shipping worldwide, then type return, returns accepted, step within 30 days. Then end the p tag, and finally add details. Again, add details again, then write summary again, and size, height, summary, and add p tag, take for sizing, Start to find your perfect fit. Finally, add the in tag of details. And that's it. Now click save. Go to online store now. This is pure HTML, no app, no heavy code. The details tag creates the drop down and summary is the clickable title. Go to catalog, double click on your product, and that's it. You can add some CSS code, but optional. Now go to your live product page and refresh. Click the drop down and make sure everything expands and collapses smoothly. You can copy this HTML and paste it into any product's description fields. Just change the text inside the summary and p tags. For advanced use, you can even create dynamic sections using metafields. Let me know if you want a video on that. Use collapsible sections only for optional information. Don't hide your product's main selling points. Combine with icons or emojis to make drop-downs more visual. If you have a lot of products, consider using metafields to manage the content for each section cleanly. And that's how you add collapsible product descriptions in Shopify. Quick, clean, and code free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tips every week. Comment below if you want the Metafield version next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.